Alright, as you can see, the check engine light. So, how to fix this, you grab your OBD2 scanner. In this model and most cars, oh shit, the port is underneath the driver's side. You plug it in there, see it turns on. It's gonna ask you set up, scan, so press OK. Scanning. Code found 1. Okay. Read code. Evaporative emission system vent control circuit. P0446. Generic. So it's not an emergency fix. So we're going to fix it because I do love this car. And boom. Parts are in this box. Let's get it going. First thing you're going to do, pop the hood. We are going to locate the part. It is right here on the driver's side strut tower. This is what we're going to be replacing. There's 2 plugs. There's a vent hose here and a vent hose here. So first, a lot of people like to unplug the battery, but believe me, I took the power plug off and absolutely nothing happened. So, I mean, if you can do that, you want to. So let's go ahead and get this off. Okay guys, as you see, we got the 2 hoses. This is the top one. The one with the yellow is for the bottom. Power cable disconnected. You push this pin and this should slide right out. Here's the old part. Now we're going to open up the new one and compare the 2. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright guys, as you can see, the new and the old, they look similar clips. I think it is the right part. Plugs look the same. There's a serial number there. Everything looks like the same. There's a number here, but on this one there is no number. But let's go ahead, swap it, and let's get it back together. Let's start up the car and let's get this going. Okay, so we didn't put it on fully because we don't want to bend any wires like this one right here. See, it's a little bit fighty, so we might have to back it out just a bit more. That should be good. Snap that one in place. I'll do it on when it's after. This one's ready to go. Now we can go ahead and proceed to push this one on. There we go. Let's go ahead and click this one in. Does not seem to want to go on. Alright guys, as you heard that click, I had to hold it from here, push it on really hard, but I'm gonna give it another tug. Yep, that's on there for the second one. That click, push it on just to make sure. We're gonna go ahead, plug in the power. Dust off first. Go ahead, plug in the power. Very good. So once again, squeeze, make sure that's on. Squeeze, make sure that's on. Squeeze, make sure that's on. All right, perfect. We're gonna go ahead, start up the car. And let's see if we have fixed the check engine light. Oh, and also for the Viper alarm. Pretty cool. Okay guys, so the check engine light was still on, so we're gonna go ahead, turn it to the accessory, plug in the OBD2 scanner. There we go. Enter. 0 codes found. So 0 codes found. So read codes, let's double check. No codes are stored in the module. So let's go ahead and unplug the OBD2 sensor. Let's turn off the key. Okay guys, so no codes were found. The check engine light's still on the dash. We're gonna go ahead and start it up and see what's going on. Wow. As you can see, there's no evap check engine light on. So I'm gonna say she's fixed. Good job. Let's go, buddy. Hell yeah. I'm gonna give her some time to run. Actually, I gotta put some coolant, so never mind. But yeah, guys, that's how you fix an evap code on a 07 Mustang. Please like and subscribe. Let's go ahead and power her off. Beautiful. Thanks, guys.